Hi guys, today I will be guiding you through how to join Jasper AI affiliate marketing. Joining the marketing program of Jasper is very simple, but first let's see what are the benefits of joining the marketing program. So, for explaining it, I get the help of Jasper, and I asked Jasper, what are the benefits of joining their marketing plan? So here you can see a discussion Jasper affiliate. If I click on it, here Jasper, describe all the benefits which I will get if I join the marketing program of Jasper. And for joining it, I need to visit Jasper AI affiliate page, and I need to sign up my account, and need to submit a form. Then, Jasper team will review my application to ensure I am a fit or not. And for approving what I need to do, I need to paste the URL of my website in which I will promote Jasper AI. And if I have my social media account, like Facebook, Instagram, or other, then I need to put my profile link so they will review each and single thing. And then I need to start promoting Jasper on my website or on my social media. And what I will get 25 to 30% recurring commission for up to 12 months for each of the customer who subscribe to Jasper plan. And it's a good package. So what I need to do is, once I will join their program, I need to refer the Jasper link, then I will get 30% commission. So, in order to join the program, simply visit Jasper AI affiliate page. Now, here what you have to do. Simply create your account on the Jasper, and if you have the option of login, simply click on it, and then Jasper will show you a form, and you have to fill that form. After filling it, you need to submit your application. Then Jasper team will take a look of your application, and once they will approve, you will be their affiliate partner. And by promoting Jasper, with each customer, you will get 25 to 30% commission. And that's it.